Hi Sanjog. So in this issue, I'm on task dispatch screen page where I have one pool and one employee selected. So this is the pool dev team and there is no task assigned to this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to assign one task to this group. Okay, so task is assigned. We got this message. But if I try to expand or collapse this group, it's not happening. It's just nothing is happening. It's just doing collapse and expand, but the task is not getting reflected. I have to perform refresh in order to get that task displayed over here. So this happens when there is no task available in that particular pool or group. So now let's see, I'm assigning one more task. Now it's working. Yeah, so that's the issue. Now if I try to add again, yeah, it's not getting refreshed on clicking on the pool name. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.